Hey, this is Mr. Peak, and this is an assignment for those of you who have done the E-shape blues, and then that C-shape one, and this would be an A. And we're going to focus on that C shape because that thing is really cool. A lot of teachers would start you on the E shape, meaning that you start with this guy, and then maybe go to the C shape for the 5 chord. But I want to move up to this guy. Alright, and there's a couple of reasons for that. It's for if you're just doing a 3 chord blues, which we're kind of working on, there is a ton in there. And it makes it actually easier to play over those 3 changes in a melodic way. Of course, that's highly subjective, but that's what I was taught by some good players and passing it along. Now here's what I want you to do is let's ditch the bar chord part and we're going to start thinking triadically. This is going to be one time where it's okay to make a third on top triad with a bar and this finger. So for the 1 chord you have this. You have 4 of these. For the 4 chord you go to a D, root on top triad. Nothing's changed there. I've been recommending you do the G shape. Now on the first string set there really isn't a G-shaped triad, so we're going to do something unconventional. So sometimes you break the rules, and this is a good example of one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bar my pinky on those 2 notes, just like a root on top triad shape. And I'm going to do strings 3 and 4 on the 9th fret. Alright, it's like a full G chord. I can't do that, but if you can imagine a full G, this thing, and barring here. Alright, so you got this thing going. Alright, so that's for your 5 chord, and then back to 4, and then 1. Alright, so putting it together, you have this 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, now that weird G, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Alright, you got that? That's step 1, and the next video will be step 2.